Hello, this is Mary Bell, and today I'm going to talk about the consonant P. The consonant sounds P. The consonant sounds P in English pronunciation. The sound P appears in many English words. For example, pen, pizza, paper, happy, I will explain about the consonant sound in the place of the articulation. The consonant sounds P. The consonant sounds P in English is it is produced by stopping the airflow with the lips and then relaxing it quickly. Listen carefully. P, P, P. You can feel a small burst of air when you pronounce it. Try to put in your hand like in front of your lips, your mouth, and say paper, paper. You can feel the air coming out. So now we are going to continue with the place of the articulation. The place of articulation about the consonant of P, the sounds P articulation, is bilabial. Bilabials mean the both lips is used like to make this sound. For example, close book, close your mouth, your lips together. Stop the air briefly and relaxing air suddenly. Example, pick, pencil, play. So now we are going to see some letters that sounds with P. Okay? So for those letters, those are at the beginnings. The sound P at the beginnings is like pen, panda, pizza. And in the other words, for example, that they are the sounds P are at the middle. It is like happy, open, apple. So and then we have um, those sounds like sounds the sound it is at the end. For example, we have coop and also nap and stop. Thank you so much.